Here is an example on solving linear equations. In this question, we are asked to solve the equation 2 into bracket 2x minus 5 close bracket minus x plus 3 in bracket equals 3 into bracket 7 minus x. If you look closely, you will discover that this question has brackets. How do we go about it? Okay, since there is no fraction, so we have 2 into bracket 2x minus 5. I'm just rewriting the question. X plus 3 equals 3, 7 minus x. Since there is no fraction, what I will just do is I will open the brackets. Okay, so since we are doing it together, we are going to open the brackets. So to open the bracket, what we are going to do is we are going to expand. So 2 times 2x, what will you get? 4x. That's 2 times 2x will give you 4x. Then plus 2 times minus 5 will give you minus 10. Okay, so plus 2 times 2x will give you 4x. That this will give you this. Then if you do 2 times minus 5, you get minus 10. Then here it appears as if there is no number here, but there is actually 1 here. So minus 1 times x will give you ordinary x. That's ordinary minus 1x. Then minus 1 times plus 3 will give you minus 3. I hope you got it. So there is an invisible 1 here. So that invisible 1 multiplied by x will give you ordinary x. Many times when 1 is in front of an alphabet in mathematics, you can choose not to write it. Then minus 1 times 3 will give you minus 3 equals to, then 3 times 7, that's plus 3 times plus 7 will give you 21. Then 3 times minus x will give you minus 3x. So you are just multiplying the numbers. So 3 times the invisible 1 here will give you 3. Then plus times minus will give you minus. At this point, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to collect like terms. Okay, so in this case, let's work with the left-hand side. We are going to move all the x's to the left-hand side. So we have 4x minus x. If I take minus 3x to join them on the left, it becomes plus 3x. Plus because on the other side it was minus. Equals 21. Okay, then now we are going to move these two numbers, that's minus 10 and minus 3, to join 21. So if minus 10 should be moved, or if we move minus 10 to the other side, it becomes plus 10. Then minus 3, when moved to the other side, becomes plus 3. Okay, so 4x minus x plus 3. What's 4x minus x? That's 3x. Then plus another 3x will be 21 plus 10 plus 3. 21 plus 10 will give us what? 31. 31 plus 3 will give us 34. Okay? So 21 plus 10 will give us 31. 31 plus 3 will give us 34. So we are going to have 6x, because 3x plus 3x will give you 6x, is equals to 34. So our x will be 34 divided by 6. Okay, I hope you know why we are doing 34 divided by 6, because we divided both sides by 6. If you don't understand what I mean, what that means, you can check other lessons, that's previous lessons before this one, to understand what we have done. Okay, so 34 divided by 6, and if you leave your answer in mixed fraction, it will be, how many 6 can we get in 34? 6 times 5 we know is 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. So remainder 4 over 6. But this 5 whole number 4 over 6. 4 over 6 can still be reduced. So this can become 5 whole number. 2 in 4 will give you 2. 2 in 6 will give you 3. So you have 5 whole number 2 over 3. So our final answer, which is x, is 34 over 6, or 5 whole number 2 over 3. Any question?